In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in CapCut on PC. We'll walk through this slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own computer. Go ahead and open CapCut on your PC and load the project or video clip you want to work on. Once your video is in the timeline at the bottom of the screen, make sure the clip is selected. You'll know it's selected when it's highlighted in the timeline. Now, look above the timeline for the preview window. This is where you see your video as you edit it. Under that preview window, or sometimes on the right side depending on your layout, you'll see different editing options like basic, filters, color, and more. We'll be focusing on the option that controls scale and position, which is what CapCut uses to create zoom effects. With your clip selected, find the controls labeled something like scale or size. Increasing this value will zoom in on your video, and decreasing it will zoom out. Try dragging the slider slowly to the right to zoom in. You'll see the preview get closer to your subject. If you drag it to the left, you'll zoom back out and see more of the frame. Take a moment to play with this and find a zoom level that looks good. If you want a smooth zoom over time, instead of a sudden jump, you'll use keyframes. Move the playhead in the timeline to the point where you want the zoom to start. With the clip still selected, set your first keyframe at the default scale. Then, move the playhead to where you want the zoom to end. Increase or decrease the scale value to your desired zoom level. CapCut will automatically animate the zoom between those 2 points, creating a smooth in or out effect. You can preview the zoom by playing that section of the timeline. If it feels too fast, drag the keyframes farther apart to slow it down. If it feels too slow, move the keyframes closer together. You can also combine scale changes with position controls to zoom in on a specific area, like someone's face or an object in the frame. When you're happy with the result, make sure to save your project and then export your video as usual. That's all you need to create clean, professional-looking zoom in and zoom out effects in CapCut on your PC.